Utility sets. 29GU Organic Chemistry Set. This set is ideal for introducing student to the principal techniques of preparative organic chemistry. Although the set is very simple, a surprising number of preparations on the 30-gram scale can be carried out. 27GU Organic Chemistry Set. A highly popular set in schools, colleges and universities. It has been purposely designed to cover the essential requirements for the teaching of organic chemistry and is suitable for preparations up to 30 grams. This is a set which is difficult to beat for versatility. 34GU Organic Chemistry Set. For student use in preparation organic chemistry up to the 1501 gram scale, this includes all the necessary equipment to allow a wide range of preparation to be carried out. IT is also invaluable for industrial laboratories where the amount of preparative work is not great and may occur at infrequent intervals. For such applications, this set has the advantage of covering an extensive field of work and occupying little space when not in use.